Thank you very much, Marco. Just a second. So my name is Ariel Finkelstein, and I'm the CEO and founder of Kampyle. And as Marco said, what we do is feedback solutions. And in a sense, when we opened up the company almost 5 years ago, what we found was that there's a lot of data on the net, but there's no real communication between online companies and online users. That's exactly where we came into effect in the beginning. We called our solution feedback analytics. And in a sense, I'll know exactly how many people came today into my website, went into my shopping cart, abandoned me, where they came from, where they went, but I still won't know why they left me. Why did they abandon me? That's exactly the point that we wanted to help our customers to better understand their users and afterwards get better conversions through it. But what we believed from day one is that you can't only ask from the users to give you their feedback, but you have to close the feedback loop, and I'll talk about it in a second. I'll give you a short presentation with regards to our company. Here is a little bit of information regarding us. We opened up 5 years ago, as I mentioned. Today we have over 60,000 customers around the world. We started with SMB customers selling our solutions, and we support all the different languages in a lot of the countries. I'll talk about the different feedback solutions that we gave, but I'll go first thing with regards to our customers. We have different customers from different verticals and different geographies. And the beauty of it, doesn't matter what you do, the minute you have a website, you have funnels, you have to convert better, but you also have users, and you want to communicate with them because at the end of the day, you live with those users. And until we came into the market, our customers really didn't understand the users, didn't communicate well with them, and these are the kind of customers that as you can see here, that are using us today, both in telco, in media, automotive, and all the rest of the different verticals that are very, very much relevant to their needs. And that's exactly what we do today with our customers. A little bit regarding where we started from. We started with this very simple solution and grew from there. It's a JavaScript, you copy-paste it into your website, and feedback sounds like, okay, it's just a feedback. But the beauty of it, the minute you start communicating with your customers, you see a lot of value. And the first value was, of course, feedback analytics. The user can just press on the feedback button, give his feedback, and you'll be able to understand why he is abandoning your landing pages, the registration processes, and all the rest. And that was our main concern at the beginning of the days. But what we believed from the beginning is that for each and every one of the funnels, there's a different user experience. And in a sense, you need to create different feedback forms for the different processes. And that enabled us to give the user the understanding that you really care about him. You took the time to understand me as a website owner, and when we asked the user to leave his contact details, what we discovered very fast was that over 60% of the users were leaving their real contact details. And this opened up a huge market for us in the sense that not only getting the data for our customers in order to convert better on their websites, but also the ability to close the feedback loop, get back to their users, and win them. And win them not only with regards to money. As you can see here, our customers get up to 45% conversion rate, which means that if I got today 1,000 feedback items, out of them 600 would be with contact details and relevant for conversion, and out of those 600, 40% would be converted into paying customers, usually in our customer base. And that is something which is very powerful. But again, if you engage correctly, that is the kind of things that we do together with our customers. Just to show you today what we do feedback for sales, marketing, and support in sales. We do lead management, which enables us to allow our customers to talk to their users in the right time, the right place, and to the right customer. For example, a user coming to a landing page from a specific PPC campaign, pressing on this keyword, and I know that I want to talk to this guy, I'll be able to put a specific feedback form that is relevant to his experience because I want to talk to these kind of guys. And then I can tag those feedback for the relevance, and how do I want to respond? And what we enable our customers is both get automatically back to their users, but also whatever is not automatically getting back through CRM. And that's one of the things that we see today a lot. There's a lot of data, but it's not actionable. And when we send the information to the sales team, they get all the information, which means the combination of web analytics, feedback analytics, and that goes into my CRM. And at the end of the day, my sales guys gets everything. If this is a customer that abandoned the shopping cart with over $250 deal, and he's a VIP customer, or he visited us also in the past. And that enables them, of course, to close deals much better. As I mentioned, we started from feedback analytics, which was our main integration. At that point of time, we also integrated with partners like Omniture and Google Analytics and all the rest in order to now allow our customers to see the what and why. But from there, we grew into quite a lot of other things, social, mobile. I won't go into all those points, but we can do very smart things out of it with retargeting. But the beauty of it that a lot of companies are doing retargeting, but we're taking the data and the discussion starts from the side of the user, which makes the retargeting a much stronger retargeting. And the last point is support. A lot of our telco companies are using us in order to do deflection, reducing the support needs, reducing the problems with satisfaction from the side of the users that are very much frustrated usually in those cases by understanding what are the problems, changing it, but also responding automatically by rules that you can create on the systems. As you can see, we developed quite a bit from starting from feedback analytics, only understanding the conversion and how to convert better, but we grew from that for talking to users and enabling our customers to get back to the users. That enabled us both to do support, marketing, and sales, and that really grew our company quite a bit with our proposal to our customers. But one of the main things that, as a SaaS company, and what we deliver is software as a service, was the ability also to integrate to other systems. And at the end of the day, majority of our customers, I'm not talking about the very, very small mom and pop shops, but larger than that, have a lot of sets of data. And the main problems that we see today is that you have big data and a lot of data, but it's not actionable. And that's exactly what we do, combining the different sets of data into one place that makes it also actionable and allows our customers' teams to get back and respond to things on time as it should be. Last thing, a little bit regarding the company. As SaaS company growing usually gets to a stage that you support both SMB and enterprise. And today we grew into that phase, which means that we started from automatically selling on the net to our customers. A lot of SMBs coming in and signing up by themselves and buying on our website. Afterwards, we developed an inside SMB sales team, and today we're also supporting our enterprise accounts. And we're doing very well with it, and as I mentioned, we're both privately held, but also a profitable company. Thank you very much.